One of the prettiest arrangements of all time. My school. There she is. How was school this week?
Beautiful. All the arrangements are gorgeous. The classes are perfect. I no regret to be here. So I'm so happy. And I'm gonna miss the class.
You're gonna miss. I
For
said
sure.
don't miss me on Monday when we're not doing class.
I'm gonna miss
What's
the class.
the
I'm gonna miss Michael. So.
What's the name of your flower shop gonna be? Named after?
Carol's Flowers by Carol's.
That's the name of your.
My daughter and me together. Carol's.
And what city will it be in?
New Jersey, in Clifton.
Clifton, New Jersey.
New Jersey. Yes.
Sometimes these videos get 1 million views, you know. Tomorrow she phone's ringing off the hook. Spin it around. It's spectacular. Look at that. How long have you been designing flowers?
This is my first time.
A week.
And 1 week, yes.
Yeah.
1 week class.
This is Veronica, tea roses, Monte Cassino, hydrangeas, big fat peonies. And it goes with your outfit too. It matches you. So congratulations. These two have done beautiful work all week. I don't know what else to tell them. They get it, they understand it, they follow, they do everything right. Here's another one. Tilt into the camera. Beautiful. This is so classic New York. How hard was that to do? It wasn't hard. Don't tell me it was hard. I was watching from behind. She didn't struggle. Hold it up. Let's see the pot. Look at that pretty silver pot. Yeah, it's the other half of this design. Containers are a very important part when you design. A lot of good designers ignore the containers and they think they're just holders of the flowers. Great designers know they are part of the design. What was hard this week? Anything?
Getting the roses to be perfect, like the circular roses.
Yes, the all rose bouquet.
That's what was
Yeah.
difficult.
Favorite design of the week?
I really like the Dutch, what's it called?
Dutch Flemish one?
Yeah, I don't know. I kind of
she's
enjoy
young.
doing it. I am.
She's young and millennial. And she's been to Coachella, and she knows other secrets of the world that she told me. Thank you again for
Thank you.
revealing the things I've always wondered. Why are there no people in those high-end stores on Fifth Avenue? She'll tell you why, but I won't tell you. One more shot. There you go. Congratulations, girls. Yes, here's my 2 graduates, New York City. Look at how darling they are. So they should open a shop together. Flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.